Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Vermicelli Kheer. Vermicelli Kheer is a delightful Indian dessert. Its creamy texture and aromatic taste make it a popular choice for festive occasions and celebrations. Let's start the recipe. In a vessel add 1 tablespoon of ghee, few cashews, raisins and watermelon seeds. You can add dry fruits as per your taste. Roast them until nuts turns light brown in color. In the same vessel add 4 cups of water. When the water is boiling, add 1 cup of vermicelli. Here I am using roasted vermicelli. If you're not using roasted vermicelli, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee and roast them. Close and cook until vermicelli cooked perfectly. Once vermicelli cooked perfectly, add 1 cup of sugar. Adjust sugar as per your taste. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee and roasted nuts. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Switch off the flame at this consistency. You can see the consistency in the video. Once cooled, kheer consistency becomes thick. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Now the kheer is cooled completely. You can see the perfect consistency in the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.